and now it's selling out as configurations have now been discontinued. So people are trying to snatch these up as collector's items. Maybe
the last ones.
I don't even know if we have one hanging around here anymore, but it's kind of a fun idea. The idea of collecting one of these at this point, the last of the iPods. It's also weird that word goes away too, because that word was huge for a minute. Hey man, you got an iPod? I mean, you wouldn't know because you were after that.
I had 2 iPods.
Which ones did you have?
I had both. They were both touch.
Oh, okay.
But
So you were tail end.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Remember the iPod minis? The nanos and like the smaller
the shuffle
configurations.
types?
Yeah,
The
so
shuffle,
the mini was a huge seller, 4 gigs of storage. It was the first one to come in different colors. And I did probably more battery replacements when I had the repair business. I had probably done more battery replacements on the mini than any other unit. The Nano is famous for being so easily scratched that everybody's back plate turned into just an absolute mess. In fact, I believe there was a class action lawsuit at one point over how easy that thing was to scratch on the back and the front, but it looked super cool.
Right.
And then from there, we moved into even smaller nanos and then eventually making our way to the Shuffle, which was this unusual device where you would just click play and it would shuffle your songs, as the name implies, and you would clip it on your clothing and you
your runs.
wouldn't really worry about interacting with it.
And then they had a screen on it. Eventually.
Whoa, I must have missed this. I didn't know that
I
they
don't
had...
think that happened.
No? I thought they did.
That looks like a render to me. At least on that form factor. I don't recall that.
Okay. Well, you would know.
Interesting.
Like
I don't know.
the devices, since you repair them, right?
Well, I was actually, by the time this device existed, I wasn't doing that anymore. I'm talking about the Shuffle in its tiny little square format.
Is this real?
Maybe it did.
I thought they did.
Yeah.
I've seen it before.
So it was the sixth generation of iPod Nano. Wow.
But then where's the clip? Because I'm not seeing the clip.
I don't know if it had a clip.
What?
That's a clip. That's a clip right there.
Yeah. It's just...
Okay. Oh, I see.
That's kind of, honestly, with the screen on it, that's kind of a cool player.
Yeah,
Yeah,
right.
it's not bad.
For, like you said, for working out,
Yeah.
you get like 8 gigs of storage on there and call it a day. And you don't have to carry a heavy phone around with you. There's another company tried to do it as well, by the way.
Who's that?
Was it not Spotify? It was integrated with Spotify. I'm not remembering the name of the brand right now. But they tried to do recently a shuffle type player so you could leave your phone at home. I think they sent it to us. I definitely integrated into a video at one point.
There's the clip.
But it would basically download one of your playlists off of Spotify.
Okay.
So you would always have it with you offline on this little shuffle player.
Like
Right.
the charge port.
It's crazy. You had the 30 pin charge port on that thing. So,
That is huge.
But anyway, they're all dead now, and RIP. And it's all about phones now. Phones for everything. Phones for everywhere. Phones for everything, and maybe watches. If you think about it, how different is the watch than
The Shuffle.
The Shuffle he just showed off with the screen on it. I mean, how different is that?